It is good to be back, let me tell you that. So today, you probably already read the title, and it is not clickbait. We are going to be unboxing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chopsticks. That is wild. Okay, so let's get right into it. So these are, if you look here, I'll show you. If you look on the top, there are English characters, which I cannot read because I struggle with cursive. Probably, Pank, Hank's Tank, Lank, Bank? I don't know, but anyways, it says made in China. But if you look on the back, they are Japanese chopsticks. So that's kind of interesting, but I'll try not to judge it on that because it really doesn't matter where it's made on the chopstick quality. Let's just get right into it. So this is the packaging we're working with. We got some good blue accents. We got yellow with the blue, which a lot of people don't like, but I do like yellow and blue. I think it looks good. And I do like the aesthetic of having mostly Japanese characters on here. Only set pack and whatever's up here is the only thing that is in English. The rest is in Japanese, which I cannot read. So, I do like the outside. I like the little, like, thingamajiggies, and if you can see, they go in, which is kind of cool to separate the chopsticks. It makes it looks appealing in the store. Like, I picked these out in the store, and yeah, it caught my eye. So, and speaking of in the store, look at that price, $2.75. Our budget's going up, boys. Our budget is going up. I am so excited. Anyways, let's get right into it. That's 10 points for being satisfying already. Come on. Okay. Now I will say, yeah, it's not supposed to open this way, so I will say as far as sanitation, opening the chopsticks from this end, it's not the most sanitary, but you know, you can wash chopsticks. I'll let it slide. I may dock off some points for that though, because coming out this way, like, I don't know, I'm a slight germaphobe, and like that kind of gets me a little bit, but no, it's not the end of the world. And now, this is something that could be the end of the world. There we go, never mind. It was a user error, not the chopsticks. Okay. Now, I will say, even though it is a user error, like, they should market chopsticks for all audiences, even people who are not very good at opening things like me. So far, I'm not too impressed with these chopsticks. I mean, they're presented well, but as far as everything practical I've tried to do with them, they're not quite there. But yeah, so we got 5. We'll go from, I don't know, these ones are already kind of out. So we'll go from this side. Wait, can you guys even see this? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, viewers. We're going from this side to this side. These feel so nice. Let me tell you that. Wow, they are like laminated, and this deserves a close-up. Yeah, come on. Look at that, and look at the design with all the polar bears, and then there's those random white ones that are sticking out from the crowd. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And now let's do the audio test right here. Pretty good, if you ask me. Pretty good. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. It's quite a journey with these chopsticks already. The sound test, the sniff test. Literally, not a single smell. Okay, taste test. Not a taste either. Wow. But I will say these divots, when they fit in your mouth, are really like, they feel so smooth. And you know, like stick your teeth in them. Wow. Wow. I never knew what luxury was like until I got these chopsticks. Wow, I've been using all the free ones from like Chinese restaurants. But these ones are nice. Wow. Wow. Okay, and I'm just gonna, to save you guys the time, we're gonna assume all the chopsticks taste and sound and everything the same. And where did, guys? What? Oh, it's okay. It went to the others. Okay, never mind. I was a little bit shook for a second. Now we got these next ones. Ha. Wait, how does it even? Oh, it's interesting. It comes out like that. That's actually very interesting. So we got these ones say. It says have a good time on the top and then polar bear on the bottom. I do like these little blue stripes. I think that they're very cool. And yeah, so far these two chopsticks have been super duper cute. Here, I'll get you guys a close up. Oh, hopefully it focuses. Yes, look at that. Okay. Quality. It puts the lit in quality. Okay, and that time I was able to thread the needle properly. Okay. Ooh, pink is my favorite color. Now, this one, you know, I don't think we need to take all these out. So, I'm gonna bring these over to you, and we'll do a quick judgment on the looks, real quick. So look at, so these are all 5. Right now we're looking at the the middle one that just slid down, and it's identical to the 2 edge ones, which, now that I think of that is not very intelligent of them to make 3 of the same designs. This one's just like, oh no, bear with me. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh no. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so this design, and this design. It's so hard to hold these, and I am so sorry, viewers. I am really struggling right now, but I will get it together for you. So the middle and the 2 side designs are pretty much the same, just different colors. And now, I mean, I like that design, it's cool, but it does lack creativity. Because if you're gonna make 5, make 5 different ones. And now this one, what does this say? What do these ones? It's testing my patience. Okay, we're gonna put these down. It says, this is cute. This is cute, guys. Look, let's eat. And look at the little polar bears. Look, they're like dancing. Oh my gosh, this guy's like dabbing. That's amazing. And then the other ones are literally the same as the other one. Wow. Okay. Okie dokie. Pretty cool. Pretty cool if you ask me. Now, the fun part. So, chopsticks, they're used for eating, primarily. So guess what I have? We have some extra fancy unsalted mixed nuts. Now this should give us the good variety that we need. Wow, that was a lot of air that came out. It smells really good, but we're not reviewing the nuts today. Whoopsie daisy, okay. Now, we're gonna use the pink ones because, as I said, pink is my favorite color. So far it's doing pretty good. Oh, that was not good. Keep in mind, my chopstick abilities, not the best. Okay, that one was, okay, I'm not even gonna finish that sentence. It's gonna embarrass myself even more. Wow. Okay. I mean, picking up nuts with chopsticks, it's difficult. And I know you guys aren't here to watch me eat, so, yeah. Performance-wise, these are pretty decent, actually. I think most of it's user error. I think these are doing pretty good. I mean, if we're reviewing the chopsticks overall, I mean, it's got some really good ridges for like picking up, which should be useful if you actually know how to use chopsticks. And I mean, the finish is really smooth. It feels like you're not going to get a splinter. I mean, it doesn't feel like slippery or anything too. So really good. Like, wow, it's amazing. I actually really like these chopsticks. They're like almost fun to use because they're so satisfying to hold. Yeah, and these chopsticks, they're so sick. I'm gonna need hand sanitizer. And these chopsticks, they're so hot fire that I'm sweating. I think I need to put on some deodorant. And my humor, it's so dry, I'm gonna need some moisturizer. And these nuts, they're so salty, I'm gonna need some water. But, now, if we're reviewing these, honestly, there is one thing we need to do before. We need to see if they're trick chopsticks. Definitely not. Okay. So if we're reviewing these, I'm gonna say, honestly, if I include the price, and given that you do have to spend a little more, but it's not too much, like, it's really not that bad of an investment. I mean, if you're saying average is 5.5, these are definitely above average. These have cute designs. I mean, I will dock off points for using the same thing twice, but other than that, I mean, I'd have to give it like a 7.8. These are good. These are very good. If you have money to spend and you're trying to spend them on chopsticks, I mean, I'd recommend these. I really would. And thank you guys for watching. I hope I could help you guys out because I know I haven't been here very often and I am sorry, but do know I have another pair of chopsticks even more expensive than this. $10. Ooh. Yeah. So be ready for my next video, and until then, Thank you guys for watching, and keep chopping away at that like button.